Determine the output waveform for the given inputs. Please notice that this time we are going to analyze the negative AND gate. Like always, we're supposed to mark the changes for each waveform. Okay, always start from A and try to do one at a time in order to avoid mistakes. Next, we're supposed to draw the dashed lines for the B waveform. Okay, so this is my first transition from high to low, and we have another transition from low to high. And we have from high to low. Okay. And now we're supposed to look at each column, and I have 0, 1. Anytime I have 1 at the input, output is going to be 0. That's why I have 0 over here. I have 1, 1, this is 0. I have 1, 0, which is 0. Why 0? Because, as I said, anytime you are going to have 1 at the input, output automatically is 0. And I have 0, 0. 0, 0 will give me 1. That's why I'm going to have 1 over here. 1, 0 gives me 0. 1, 1 gives me 0. And I have 0, 1 gives me 0. And I have 0, 0 gives me 1. 0, 0 gives me 1. And I have 1, 0 gives me 0. Okay, so I have waveform, I have zeros, I have 1, I have zeros, I have 1, and I have 0. You're supposed to keep in mind that negative AND is equivalent to the NOR gate, and we said that NOR gate can have many inputs, so the same rule applies to the negative AND. Negative AND can have also many inputs, but the concept of analyzing is exactly the same. If you are going to have many inputs for the negative AND gate, so if all of them are going to receive zeros, output is going to be 1. And if at least one of the input is going to have 1, output is going to be 0. So you don't have to remember many truth tables. You're supposed to remember just 1. Okay? And we can say that this is the solution to the problem, and we can go right now to the negative OR gate.